Okay, so where you will find the e-community is over here. Okay, you can find the e-community at the right of your PC. Okay, this is for the management view. First, we will focus on the management view first. Okay, so for today, we will focus until issue login ID. Okay, the rest are different module, which is the VMS. You carry on the another day. Okay, not so soon. Okay, so I will teach you on the how to update the announcement until how you have to create the ID for the owner. Okay, again for until end of November, your users means your owner and residents, they only entitled to use the web base. Okay, the first thing is you have to create ID for your user. Okay, how are you going to create the ID? Go to the issue login ID, this one. Okay, press this one, view all. In one time, you all can generate the ID for everyone. Okay, for example, let's say sorry, okay, for example, let's say you do have about 1,000 of unit. You want to create ID means in one time, you just can create for everyone. How are you going to create that one? Select all. Okay, once you select all, system will auto select everyone and you just can generate from here. Okay, this is a generate ID button here. Okay, so now I will since this one is just a training, I will just show one, but you guys just assume that we're gonna create for the 1,000 of unit. Okay, not only the 1,000, even the 1,800, 2,000, all are the same process. Okay, the first thing is select. Okay, once you select, go to the generate ID. Okay, go to the generate ID. Then system will ask your permission whether you want to generate ID for that particular occupant or not. You just have to click OK. Then for those who are creating more than 100 of units, for example, let's say you all now print for the thousands of units ID, make sure the print bed size you guys have to change for the 1,000. Okay, and then after you change this one, it's up to you whether you want to email the document, either print the document to them. Okay, if you want to email the document, make sure the resident email must enter at the property management there. Okay, so I just will print the document. Okay, and for your information, if the owner they do have a more than one unit, they just can use a single ID to log in into the e-community. Okay, they don't need to use a multiple ID to log in. So this will be, for example, like Johnson Chia, he do have a 2 unit. So for this 2 unit, you only will use one ID to log in. Okay, so this is how you will create ID for them. Okay, so far for issue login ID, any question? Have you guys understand? Okay, then next we proceed with the community news. Okay, community news is an announcement. Okay, okay, over here we do have a 2 type of announcements. Okay, the first one, community news. Okay, Community news where you only can upload the wording and then the images. Okay. If you want to upload any PDF file, you cannot. Okay. If you want to upload any okay, if you want to upload any announcement in a PDF file for your information, you cannot upload into the community news. Okay, that one is another feature. Later I will go on to it. Okay, the first thing we focus on how we will upload any announcement. Okay, again I remind everyone, community news is just for the image and for wording. You cannot upload any PDF file. Okay, just put reminder for yourself. How are you going to upload announcement? Go to the manage. Okay, for your information, e-community is quite easy to use for management. Okay, because you don't need to have like a lot of the setup. You just have to focus on one thing, manage. Okay. First thing is go to the manage and okay, heading is a um, title of your announcement. Okay. Okay. Content you can put, for example, when you have a title there, for sure you have some description. Okay, header can be maybe like water interruption. Then at the content here, you just can put when the water interruptions. For example, let's say you want to have like an open house for Hari Raya ke Deepawali ke, you just can put the open house here and then the content as well. Okay. Okay. And then over here, you can see there is a apply all department. Okay, this function is for those who have like some of the project, they will have like a more than one department code. Okay, for that, that one for yes, department code. Okay, for that type of user, whenever you want to upload the announcement, you just can select here. Once you select, system will auto update at that department code, which means you don't need to choose different department code. You guys might be confused. I will show the department code first. I save this one. Okay. Once you save, it automatically go down here. This is the department code I'm referring. So this is the department code. Okay. For example, I go to the department, don't have anything. Okay, I go to this department, just filtering. Okay, if you want to upload in one announcement to everyone, make sure you all choose all. Sorry. Okay, make sure you choose this one. Apply all department. Okay. So now I will teach you on how to upload the image on announcement. Okay, so let me show you the announcement. Just now I do the announcement. It's very like simple one, very boring. Okay, so as a management, you can be some creative also. Okay, I will put okay. 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 So I just okay. So now I'm going to upload the announcement. Sorry, the image on the particular announcement. Just now, update Happy Friday. Select. Okay. Then You don't need to press edit. Straight away go to the attach image. Add, choose file from your PC. Okay. And okay, then save. It's too big. Don't big. Okay, done. Okay, save. Wait. Okay. So how are you going to upload the image? Add, choose file from your PC and save. Okay. Okay. Then once I press, so this is the image. If you all want to make it feature news, this one is a feature news. Feature news means it's like something like a hot highlighted news. Okay. So how are you going to make the feature news? Go to the manage. If I'm too fast means you all can stop me. Yeah? Okay, great. So now I will show you on how for the feature news. Go to the manage. Select the announcement. Okay, this one, select. Edit. And tick the feature news. And save. Okay, see, now you can see very nice, not a boring. Okay, understand everyone? Hello, you guys can respond to me, no problem one. If don't understand, don't shy.
Understand,
Understand.
teacher.
Understand.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Actually, I will
So now we focus on how we want to deactivate the announcement and how we want to delete the announcement. Okay. Go to the manage. Okay. Then find the announcement that you want to delete. For example, maybe this one, PKPB. Okay. You just can delete. Okay. And then if, for example, this one. Okay, this one, happy holiday. Okay. I want to deactivate from the owner view, but I want to keep for management record means edit, untick the active, then save. That's it. Okay, so that's all for the community news. Next, we move on to the management bulletin. Okay, so the management bulletin is only a announcement, but in a PDF copy. You only can upload the PDF copy. You cannot upload image here. Okay, how are you going to upload? First, go to the manage. Okay, once you press the manage, this page will out. You have to add, choose file from your PC. Okay, then put the title. Okay, and then if you have a more than one department code, just apply all department. That's it. That's it. Okay, when I exit, it's already here, the first one. Okay, if you all want to delete again, go to the manage. Okay, find it. Okay, then delete. Or you want to edit the name also, just edit and edit the name here. Okay, that's all for the management bulletin. Okay, the next is facilities booking. Okay, so facilities booking, for your information, the user means your residents, okay, they can book the facilities through the e-community. Okay, so but before that, the management have to do some of the setup. Okay, the first setup is here we do have a defaulter setting. Okay, defaulter setting means, okay, for defaulter setting, one it means that your defaulter they cannot make a booking. Okay, how does the defaulter setting is works? First, press the defaulter setting. Okay, so at the defaulter setting here, what you have to do is, okay, press defaulter setting, jump to this page and then edit. Once you edit, okay, for sure yours one means that I believe everyone one will be the selector field is empty. Okay, this all is a GL code. Okay, normally for defaulter we will take it from the service charge and sinking fund. Okay, if they do have a lot of outstanding here at this two particular code, we consider as a defaulter. So you can choose IVSC is a service charge, IVSF is a sinking fund. Minimum amount you can put maybe 1,000. Okay? If you put 1,000 here, which means for those who have more than 1,000, they are not entitled to use any facilities. Okay, if they are less than 1,000, they can book a facilities. Okay, then don't forget to save. Okay, that's it for the default setting. The next one, for sure, yours one will be empty like this. Okay, for new user without any setup, this is the page that you all will have a look. Okay, how are you going to create the facilities? First, go to the manage. Go to the manage here. Okay, add facilities name. Okay, maybe hall A, can be any facilities lah. Okay, that the owner need to book one. Time close, sorry, time open 9 a.m. Time close 10 p.m. Maximum duration, actually for your information, these facilities, the time usage of the time, what time is open, the quota times 8 is all depends on your environment. Okay, some of the site they do have a different rules and regulations. Okay, I just will follow according to my experience. Okay, so maximum duration is a standard is a 3 hour. Some of them some of the condo the standard hour of usage facilities usage will be a 4 hours. So it's up to you totally. Okay, calendar length over here I put 10. 10 means like the user means like your residents, they only can view 10 days of calendars. Okay. And then quartile time scale. Okay. For quartile time scale, example here, I choose month, quarter hour, I put 12. It means in a month, for whole A, every unit they're only entitled to use 12 hours. Okay. If they already for that particular month, 12 hours already finished. The quota turned to 0 means we cannot add on the quota hour for particular units because we're doing a setup for the facilities, not for the units. Okay. Then the next, booking day log. Booking day log means how many days before we have to book the facilities. Example, let's say we want to buy the ticket for GSE, online ticket. So usually we have to buy at least 2 hours before. The same things over here. Okay. And then we have here, member book online. If you guys select, means that you take the member book online means they're able to book. If you're empty, they are not able to book the facilities. Okay. After this setup done, at last what you have to do is save. Oh, the name is already here, then I change. So this is my hall that I created. Exit, I can choose hall B. So this is the calendar. Okay. So everyone understand for the facilities booking how we have to do the setups. Okay, good. Then next we will focus on how the owner will make a booking. Actually, the step for the owner make a booking and management make a booking on behalf of them is the same thing. Okay, how the process is happens. First, choose the lot number. Okay. 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 Choose the unit number here. Okay, once you choose the unit number, from here you can press. Okay, for your information, the dark gray is a Saturday, Sunday. This kind of blue color is a public holiday. The color, the date color indication is here. Okay, so you can choose the date. Maybe they want to use hall on 27. Just press. Okay, here you can see the quota hours. Okay, if this one is a the balance is a 0, which means they cannot add on the quota for particular units. Okay, then okay lah, 9 to 12, save. So this is the booking. For your information, let's say even the resident they make a booking from the app or from the web, their neighbor cannot see who booked the facilities. They only can view it's already booked, but they don't know which unit booked. Okay. So let's say for this particular unit, okay, only management can view who booked. For this unit, 10606. Okay. They already they say, okay, never mind, I want to reduce my usage timing. Maybe I only want to use 9 to 10. Okay, what you have to do is press this one, edit, here, change the timing. Okay, save. Save. You can see here. Okay, time already reduced. Then, if let's say they say no, cancel last minute, choose this one, white. That's it. Okay, that's it for the facilities booking. Okay, clear? All understand for facilities? If everyone understand, we can move to the form download.
Understand. Understand.
Okay, thank you. So the next we move to the form download. Form download is pretty forward. Okay, what you have to do is you just can attach the form. Okay, for example, let's say you have like moving in, moving out, any renovation, car park, application form, everything you just can update here. Okay, how are you going to update? Go to the manage. Okay, and choose file from your PC. Okay, then upload the file title. Okay, if you have more than one department code, just press apply all. Okay, then save. That's it. That's it. It's already here. Okay. If you want to delete it, can just select delete. That's it. Next is household. Okay. Household is you only can attach one file. You cannot attach more than one. Okay. So for current, due to the COVID-19, we do have our own SOP. That type of SOP all you always can upload under the management bulletin. Okay. How are you going to upload the household? First, go to the manage. Okay. This one a bit different. Go to manage, edit. Choose file from your PC and save. Okay. Next, I will go on to the management committee. Okay. At the management committee here, I want to highlight a few important things here. Okay. Because over here, you all can have a look. Management number. Okay. Management number, it is linked to the minutes of meeting. Let's say you all fail to update the management number. Okay, means you guys then do the setup for the management number means you cannot upload the minutes of meeting. Okay, because it is linked to the minutes of meeting. Okay, the first thing, what is management committee? Management committee is a chart organization of the committee member. Okay, the president, they can view who's my chairman, who's my secretary, who is my AGK, and so on. What is management number? Management number is badge of the committee member. Okay, badge of committee member. Okay, so first I will teach you on how to update the management number. Let's say you all say, okay, I don't want to add this down part here. Means like who is my chairman, all the details I don't want to upload. I just want to upload the management number. Yes, can. Okay. The first thing, go to the manage. So press add management, press add. Again, I repeat, management number is a batch of the JMB, MC, or RA. Okay, because some of them they will have a JMB, MC, and then RA as well. Okay, RA is a resident associate. Okay, so the management number is I put 30. Okay. Then management type. If let's say your one over here is empty, okay, is 0 means you just can press this 3 dot box, okay, and add here, okay, type something and add. That's it. Okay, see, add 30. Management type is a JMB. Okay, so it will start on the 1st of November. Okay, when it's end. All the details you just update, okay, by yourself. Then the form. Okay, once you've done this one, save. That's it. Okay, then you can see here, management number is already 30 here. Okay, then add. Okay, if you guys didn't update the details of a committee member, no problem. Okay, that is not issue. Whole year I just want to show you on how you have to update. Okay, sequence I put 1. Okay, the name I put Sinji. It's up to you whether you want to put the chairman details or not. Okay, all the details up to you. It's not compulsory to update. Then I will put here my chair lady. Sudah hilang kejap lah. Okay. If you want to upload your chair lady selfie picture also can. No problem. But you have to put your remind on yourself that even though all the residents can view the details of the committee members. Okay. If you don't want to upload, no problem. Okay. Then save. That's it. Okay. So this is my chair lady. Once I press, they can see the details. Okay. So this part everyone understand? Hello. Everyone is there?
Thank you.
Next, we move to the minutes of meeting. Okay. Minutes of meeting, very, very simple. Okay. Again, how are you going to upload? Go to the manage. Okay. And choose file from your PC. Okay. Then meeting title. Okay, meeting number. Okay, here you can see management number is 30. If let's say you guys didn't update at the management committee, the management number, you cannot upload the minutes of meeting. Make sure update this one. Okay. Then meeting date, maybe I just put yesterday date on. And minutes by who? Okay. That's it. Save. Okay. Exit. So it's already here. Okay. For account statement, no need to do anything. Okay. Because account statement, this one we generate at the property management there. Okay. But whatever the things you generate, that is what the resident will see. Okay. Okay. It will be like this. If let's say you need the more document details, just press the document details. Everything will be here. Okay. Then this one, service request recipient. Okay. Service request recipient means whenever the owner send the service request, any feedback, okay, service request recipient is whenever the owner want to send the complaint feedback to the e-community, who is the receiver? Let's say we didn't update any details here, means whenever the user, means like residents, they send out the complaint to the e-community app or web, means they won't have any receiver there. Okay, so it's up to you how you want to do the setup for it. Okay, maybe you just can put one representative name over here. Okay, you can put one representative name, should be no problem. Okay, edit, just choose the name. Okay, all the name will be in the available field here. Once you press, it will direct go here. Okay, then save. That's it. Okay, you don't need to do much. Okay, so did everyone clear on how this on how you have to do the update setting? Clear? If all clear,
Clear.
okay, very good. If you all clear, I can go to the owner view. Okay. Okay, now I will use the owner view. For the owner one, they have the login group, they have to choose the member. Okay, and then the login code. The one you created just now. Password. And login. Okay, this will be the owner view. For your information, owner one is only can be viewed. For example, now you did upload the announcement. They only can view the announcement. Okay, they cannot reply back. For example, they want to view the old one also can. I see very cute one, got open ipin. You all just can update like this now. Okay. Then management bulletin. Okay, they can download and read by themselves. Facilities booking, they can book by themselves. The same process. Okay, form downloads, also management committee. Okay, so this is what I mentioned earlier. If they want to view the child ID details, they can view. Okay, then means of meeting and their own account statement. If they want to view their own account statement, they have to adjust the date also. Okay, if they didn't adjust the date, some of them they only can view that particular few details only. Okay, contact information, they can edit the contact information, but only the email address and contact number on only they can edit. The rest they cannot edit. Okay. Okay. Service request. Service request, they can send the complaint to the management. Okay. How they going to do the complaint? Just go add. Okay. Then here they can write down what are the complaints. Maybe a leaking and submit. Then the management will receive the complaints. Okay. Then next is a my login ID. Over here, they change their own password and then the login code. Okay, they just can edit and then update the details here. Okay, okay. Now the another one is a register sub ID. Okay, register sub ID is for current moment management only can create one ID for one unit. If the owner they want to give ID to the tenant or to their spouse to their children the owner the one have to create the ID, not by the management team. Okay, how they have to create? Go to the add. Okay, once you press add, go to the sub contact. Okay, then name they can put. Okay, okay, then they can update by themselves their IC number lah, okay, all the religion ke, the address, contact number, okay, the owner itself they can update by themselves. Okay, accept. Okay, the name is here, status active, then save. Okay, so this will be their ID. Okay, sub V01 and then the password 755227. Okay, for the tenant. Okay, when the tenant login into the e-community, they cannot view the account statement. Okay, so that's all for the e-community. Any question? You guys want to know more about the e-com? Or are all clear? Any doubt?
Clear.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
So all understand, huh?
Understand,
Yes.
yes.
Okay, very good, very good. So all take care then. Thank you for joining.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
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 Okay. Ada